This beautiful custom home estate is a must-see. It sits prominently on 9 private acres with spectacular sunrise and sunset views. The exterior boasts beautiful landscaping and well-manicured sod. The home is complete with a large deck perfect for entertaining. The main floor master suite flows nicely and is very spacious. The beautifully appointed kitchen with a large island is sure to be the centerpiece for family gatherings. A large laundry utility room is located conveniently on the main floor. Downstairs you will find a fully finished walkout basement complete with additional bedrooms and baths, plus a very large and open rec room area. The very large detached garage is perfect for protecting your vehicles from the elements on a daily basis, plus storing your lawn tractor, ATV, or boat. It's large enough to also set up your very own workshop. Enjoy peace and quiet in this upscale estate. For your private tour, contact Pat Doyle at 303-720-2914.